Still not enough. Hello everyone, this is Eric from Overland by Eric. In this episode, I'm just gonna show you the performance of some parts that I'm gonna change on my steering wheel and front suspension components. On that video, I was complaining about my front suspension components. Unfortunately, it got worse and my dead wobble and my steer bump gets so bad that I couldn't really control the vehicle, and I started doing research to see what's the best one. This is not an installation video. A lot of people do that. This is just a performance and review on the parts. So if you need an installation, go find somebody else who's doing better than me on that. But as far as performance, I'm gonna just be very honest with you, because this is not a plugin and I'm not sponsored with any of those. So the way I find out that I need my components to be, I decided to go 3 different brands. Bilstein for my steering stabilizer, and the drag link, I'm gonna go with the Steer Smart XD, Steer Smart Yeti. It's so pretty. And this one has an attenuator. Sometimes the boot comes in red and sometimes in this color, and that's just cosmetic, which I don't care about that. But as far as the that's an extra shock that it takes the side kicks from your tires to the steering box, and it observes it right there. So this is hopefully gonna work out. This is the most expensive part of the whole set. And the reason I learned that if you go cheaper, you try to save money, probably you're gonna end up spending twice. So I decided to buy the Steer Smart Yeti XD for JK, and I'm just gonna stick with that one. Please stay with us in the end, and you will see the performance on those vehicles. This is a Bilstein stabilizer. There is a better ones than this one. I just had the chance to get this one quickly ready because I wanted to get it done. I don't do unboxing usually, but I'm gonna do on this one because I haven't seen it. I want you two guys to see my first impression on tie rod and on drag link. I'm sorry, on tie rod and the track bar. So these 2 parts, that's just a bracket that holds the string stabilizer to other part on the tie rod. And I just ordered the different ones that I have, so just see how it's gonna work for me. And I'm not sure what's this one, but it looks like a track bar because it's lighter and smaller than the other box. So metal cluck. It's a California based manufacturer, and so far
everything I hear about them was great. However, when I ordered the parts, that just confirmed that they are the best. My other option was a company from Arizona, RPM, and unfortunately I didn't go that way because I only had one vehicle and one choice, or a couple of choices. I didn't want to mix all kind of parts together. Oh, more stickers, if you care about that. It's packed very well, by the way. My only complaint about metal cluck, it took a long time to receive your product. Basically, I waited 3 or 4 weeks. But that was the time that entire north of California was flooded. So, and so was the south. So the roads were closed. Almost the state guard got activated. And
wow, look at this track bar. It's beefy. I always pay attention to the joints, and this one I really like the way it's made. It's a zinc plated, some blink for your vehicle if you're that kind of person. But I don't care, honestly. I just need a performance. Ugh. Unboxing is kind of fun. I probably leave a comment if you like me to do unboxing, or you just want me to have it ready before
the video. So let me see what's in this one. Again, it's packed very well. I don't want to drop anything. So, yeah, that's the tie rod.
Oh my god, this thing. But there is a problem. I haven't got the ends, and I know that my ends have problem. So we need to cure that part. Maybe it's still here. Oh, it's here. They do come with the ends.
Oh, it's offsetted ends, basically. Yeah, that's a tie rod ends. That's one. Ah, that's another one. I can't explain it. Small table. I can't explain. This thing for me is an exercise bar because it's really heavy. Oh yeah, if you're younger, probably this is
It's nothing for you, but it's easily 40 pounds. I'm gonna find out how much is it. It's gonna add the weight to your vehicle. RPMs, they're all aluminum components, which I didn't go that way, and they are lighter and they are very flexible. They just bend and bend back. It has material memory and it doesn't bend and stay. In contrary, those zinc plated metals, they if they bend, they don't bend basically. If they bend, basically that means your whole vehicle is bent, but they don't go back. So which is a different story. So those ends are pretty good quality. It's obviously more bigger with a castle nut and probably a pin for that. I don't see the pin. Yeah, here's the pin and a zerk fitting. So let me just check this after installation, and we're gonna see how performance changed. So as I mentioned before, for all your needs, please stop by American Tire Depot at Glendale, California. These guys are amazing. They take care of the vehicle. All right, by no means I'm a mechanic. I have no idea about anything, but I remember this wasn't like this, and it's not supposed to be like that move. Also, this wasn't like this, and this wasn't loose like this. It just moves all over the place. So that's why I think upgrade would be a very good idea. I don't know about the ball joints at this point, but we'll check on those later on. This is my after videos, so after installation videos. I do have some little bit bumps here. I know it's an adjustment issue, it's not the product issue. It came out really nice. The steering wheel feels firm most of the time. It's just in the curves that I have steer bump, and it's gone now. But as far as handling, it's a day and night. Is it worth to pay extra compared to other brands? For metal clock, definitely. For steer smart, I need more investigations. I need more cases to see was it worth for paying more or not. I will keep you posted. Please stay tuned. First of all, I want to say thank you if you stayed with this video all the way to this point. As conclusion, I believe that metal clock, tie rod, and track bar is really worth the money. It makes a big difference. And first I just got a little bit bump steer after I changed it, but somehow when we tied up everything and adjust, that thing went away. But as far as the Steer Smart XD, I'm not sure about that one. It's a good quality, but at the same time I don't see that much value on it, because it just doesn't justify the price, and the attenuator adds a little bit extra vibration in my opinion. Please leave a comment if you have any experience with XD Steer Smart products. Please let me know, especially this one. I know the other products are great. And as far as the steering, the stabilizer, the shock that holds the whole thing together from shaking, I think that was okay. It's not one of the best, but for the price, I think it did the job. At the end, I want to say thank you very much for all of you, for all these few years that you support me and watch my videos. I know your time is valuable, and I'm trying to put the best content I can, so you know what to buy and don't make the mistakes of buying things twice. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful time.